Thanks for visiting Fan Finder by Colorado Home Cooling and Daylighting. This tool makes it easy and convenient for you to receive a fast, accurate quote for a whole house fan anytime. Choosing the right size fan for your home makes all the difference in energy efficiency and long-term value. So in part 1, we'll ask for your above ground square footage and we'll give you some different fan size options. Next, it's important to know that your fan can only move as much air as it can exhaust out of the attic. So in part 2, we'll ask you to let us know your best estimate of your existing attic ventilation. Don't worry if you're unsure about this part. Feel free to skip it and one of our office staff will help you with this assessment later on. In part 3, you'll be able to select eligible upgrades for your fan, add a solar attic fan, or choose to receive our free winter insert for Quiet Cools if you're planning on paying by cash or check. In part 4, we will ask a few details about your home to help us confirm the feasibility of the installation. Lastly, we will need your home address and contact information to confirm the quote. Don't worry, we only use this information to keep track of your quote and confirm pre-installation details in our system. And you're all done! On the last page, you'll be taken to the quote where you'll see all the items you selected as well as the total price. You will receive an email with a link to this quote so you can come back to it anytime. For questions or scheduling, click the button below and someone from our office will reach out for next steps. It's as easy as that.